Happy birthday, Annie! Thank you for inviting. Salamat at nagkaroon tayo ng chance na magkasama ulit. Wish ko lang is good health at saka more power and God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ami, from Elementary Batch 79.
Hi, friend. I wish you all the love and happiness. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Ami, from your Dragon Mom She's family.